Hey there, it's Mike Thomas here. You guys know me as Mike from Maine. And today we're going to be taking a look at a video called How to Make Money Online with Google Certifications by a channel called Living Delightful Freedom. Now, this video has 41,000 likes on it with only 615 dislikes, which is a good sign that this isn't just some clickbaity piece of crap and that it actually has a real way of making money online. I'm going to go ahead and give her a like on her video. If you guys can go ahead and like my video as well, it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Let's jump into this.
Google is your friend. I told you. Hello, my friend. Welcome to Living Delightful Freedom. My name is Delania. In this video,
Those ring lamps, which is why her eyes look like that, that's what the ring lamps do. I don't know if I like them or if I dislike them. Like, I kind of like them. Like, my lighting isn't that great. I'm in a room with a little lamp in front of me, and I've contemplated getting a ring lamp like that, but I'm always a little freaked out by the eyes. Anyways, let's continue.
I'm going to show you how you can make money online with Google certifications. You can get certified for free and start making money online as businesses and entrepreneurs are looking for people to do this job for them. I'm going to
Getting certified for free is great. You don't have to pay $997 for one of these gurus courses. You can just get it and hit the ground running and not pay any money to actually do it. That's great.
And so what you want to do is type in skillshop.withgoogle.com. And this is the website that is going to certify you by Google.
I didn't even know about this website. This is new to me.
For absolutely free. So you're getting absolutely free training. And these skills are very much needed out there for some businesses. They rather hire someone like you, especially if you're certified to do this. Like it says here, master the Google tools you use at work with free online training. Develop skills you can apply right away with e-learning courses designed by Google product experts. Learn at your own pace and get Google product certified. So that is pretty
Yeah, that sounds good.
cool because you can do one of the certifications today and do another one tomorrow. Take you a few days to get them all done. If you want to get them all done, you don't have to get them all done. So here are the free trainings. Find free online product training and certifications right for you. So these are all of the free certifications. So Google Ads, we know how important that is for businesses.
I'm going to say that getting certified for one of these is great, and it can definitely help you get hired. But what's going to help you get hired even more, and it's like this with any job, is experience. If you can say, oh, I'm certified with Google Ads and I've run these campaigns for people, I've gotten these results. Results always are what people are looking for when they're hiring you.
And some businesses just don't know Google Ads. They know they want to put adverts out there, but they don't know how to set them up. You can set it up for them and get paid good money for that, okay? It'll take you maybe like 30 minutes to set up an ad. I have done this before without a certification. Of course, you would be more skilled at this because you're actually taking their training. But even if you attempted to create Google Ads, it's nothing like being certified and actually creating a business around it. You can also get one on Google Marketing Platform, Google Analytics. Google My Business is one of
Google My Business could be a good one, especially if you're going to be helping local businesses get set up. I think that's one of the best ways of potentially getting paid is because you can actually help people. A lot of these businesses have no idea how to set up their Google My Business. So you can learn that and just get them online and show them instant results. They'll love that.
their new programs. Also, you want to be certified in Google Ads Manager because there are companies that really need this stuff done for them as well. So you can learn how Google Ad Manager can help you earn revenue for your ads. This is something that companies are actually looking for. Google Ad Mob is for their inventory. Then you
That's for, I believe that's for like, I thought that was mobile ad mob.
also have authorized buyers. Waze is a certification on Google Maps as well. So these are all free for you and these are very important. So if we actually go ahead and check this out, the Google Ads certifications, you actually want to first
Look, there's like certifications within certifications.
come over here to Google Ads Search and learn this first, learn the fundamentals of Google search campaigns and get Google Ads certified. These are all
Even if you're not trying to like get a job, just learning this kind of stuff could give you a great like solid foundation if you're trying to learn how to make money online, just because you're going to actually understand what people are talking about.
All about Google Ads. You can be certified in all of these, and each of these will take you maybe a few hours to complete. So this is the Google Ads search certification. You can go ahead and read through here. There are all of these modules to complete. What you can do is go through these. Some of them are about 15 minutes long, 30 minutes, 11 minutes, 9 minutes, 20 minutes. So you can do them at your...
I probably would have been better off doing this than going to college. Like, I went to school for English literature. I don't know what I was going to do with it, maybe teach English. But if I had done something like this, I would have been better off, and it would cost me a lot less money.
Your own pace. You can go ahead and check your knowledge right here with an assessment, which gives you like a refresher on everything that you just learned. And then to get certified, you need to take this. This is the Google Ads search assessment. So you will do that whenever you are ready, okay? That is required. You have to complete this, okay, to receive your cert.
It's an hour, almost an hour and a half there. So it's quite a... It will take you probably a day to really go through all this and pass it.
Certification. So this is how you do Google Ads search certification. I'm also going to show you how you can go ahead and find these jobs. All right, so right now we're on peopleperhour.com. This is a website where businesses will come here and look for freelancers to actually do a variety of different projects. You can...
I've never used People per Hour. I'm aware of it, but whenever I need to find someone to do work for me, I usually go to Upwork. And you can go on there as well. That's a great place to find work.
Charge per hour, or they can pay you per hour, or you can also choose a fixed rate. Now, if you actually go up here to search projects, we're going to go ahead and take a look at how much you can make.
We're really zoomed in on that woman.
And what projects are out there. So we're going to go ahead and search for Google Ads Manager. Click on the arrow here. So as you can see, here's one, Google Ads Professionals Wanted, and this is a fixed price.
Now look, there's 47 people that have bid on that. So there's quite a bit of competition. Just be aware that you're going to be going up against a lot of people.
Of $283. Once you figure it out, once you do it a couple of times, you will be really good at this. And if you're certified and you're taking the training, you're going to know exactly how to do this, okay? Google Ads.
One of the nice things about websites like this is you can see what's in demand before you learn a skill, which I think a lot of people forget about. They think that, oh, if I learn this skill, I'll get hired and I'll make money with it. But you need to learn something that people really need.
Campaign manager is needed here. This one is Google Ads Specialist, a fixed rate of $109. Google AdWords account setup and management, $32 per hour. If we actually go back here, you're going to see that there's a certification for this. So you want to go ahead and take this, the Google Ad Manager one, and you definitely want to take the Google Ads one, okay? So it'll take you a few days to complete if you do both of these, and then you can move on to the other ones, whatever it is that you're interested in. And if you come back here, you can just tell them that you're certified with Google. So that,
again, even if you say that you're certified, like once you start getting, like you get your first client, and you might want to bid low for your first client so you can show that you're getting results for people, then you can raise your prices after. Start low.
That makes you look even better, and you can actually get more jobs doing this. All right, so another place that you can go to right here on Fiverr.com. So I actually searched for Google Ads.
Look at that right there. Two people doing the same thing and each charging similar prices, and both of them are getting clients.
As you can see here, you have someone who's starting at $100, and they will manage and optimize your Google Ads AdWords PPC campaigns. So they'll manage your account, and that's right here, Google Ad Manager. So those are the two that you want to get done for sure, because that's the most necessary in the marketplace. As you can see, these guys right here, they're pro verified, which means that this gig is offered by unrivaled talent verified by Fiverr for quality and service. You can also...
So like that right there, if you're pro verified, that might help you get clients just because people are going to see that you're professional.
Also become pro verified, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So these guys start at $300, and it goes up.
Look, and with that pro verification, their prices go up
from there. So you can charge prices like this. This guy is pro verified, and he's starting at $795. He's got 5 stars. He will manage and optimize your Google Ads AdWords PPC campaigns. That is what you would be learning, and that's what you're getting certified for. So you can start making money like this. And if you actually click on his gig, and he's got basic, which
Well, look at that, $800.
is $795, standard $980. His premium is
Ooh, $1,200. Look at that. That's good money.
$1,200. So if you're like, yeah, right, how am I going to do that? I understand why it would be intimidating to actually apply for pro verification. If you can go through the process of actually applying, and if you actually get some sales and you provide really good customer service, so you're in good standings and you get really good reviews, then you can apply. Plus, you're also verified. You can start earning money like this, $300, $795 for basic. So if you're really serious about this, then you should really consider trying to become a pro seller on Fiverr with a gig like this, because you would have an actual certification. And if we actually click on here, this is for frequently asked questions of what is a Fiverr Pro. Applying for Fiverr Pro is...
Look at that. You can... Professional freelancers who are new to Fiverr as well as longtime Fiverr sellers. You don't necessarily have to be a veteran on there.
Is open to everyone, professionals, freelancers who are new to Fiverr as well as longtime Fiverr sellers. So you can find the application page and requirements right here. So you can definitely check out the requirement. If you check this question out, how does Fiverr decide whether I'm eligible to become a pro seller? Fiverr business buyers want the very best. We therefore request pro candidates to go through a vetting process. We'll ask you to tell us about your professional background, your higher education, notable projects you've worked on, etc. Once we get to know you, we will evaluate your application form and notify you whether you were found eligible to open a pro gig.
Yeah, so it's kind of at their... like if they want to do it, they'll do it. If not, they won't.
After you get some projects under your belt, you let them get to know you and let them know your higher education. Definitely let them know that you are verified, which is a big accomplishment because now you have a verification for this specific gig, which is a plus, and that can help you become a pro seller. So definitely look into this so that you can make as much money as possible so that you can start charging $795. Companies that come over here, they want the best, and they know that it is worth the money to have their campaigns set up and their ads set up properly. So this one is Fiverr. You can go ahead and check this one out as well. All right, so another one to check out is also Upwork.
Oh, Upwork. This is the one that I like.
Upwork.com. I just typed in Google Ads and I just wanted to show you how much money some of these people are making that have been on here doing this for other people. So this guy makes $45 per hour. He's a pay-per-click.
Look at that guy right there. $700,000 that he's earned doing this. That's great. That's an income.
Advertising expert, Google AdWords. He also does Facebook ads. Over here you have, he charges $105 per hour. He's earned over $700,000 on this website. He has worked 10,000 hours, so he's been here obviously for a few years doing this. And guess
Look, since 2016 he's been doing this.
what he does? He does Google Ads, AdWords search, display, video, and Google Shopping. So if we actually go back, this is the Google Ads certification. These are the certifications that you can get. Everything that he does that he gets paid $105 per hour for is on here. He does Google Ads search. He does Google Ads display, Google Ads video, shopping ads. So he does all of this and that's ready for you so you can learn it for free and actually be certified in it.
He's a great example. I love this.
After you've done this for a while, you can go ahead and charge something like $105 per hour like he is. And also he says he's been doing this since 2016. So that's just been a few years and he's making this much money now. So if you really focus on this, you can make really good money doing it. There are other people on here.
Look at that. 80,000 earned, 100,000 earned, $200,000 earned. Really great.
This guy does Google Ads campaigns and he charges $100 an hour. This guy charges $125 per hour, $400,000 earned on this, okay? So the training is definitely out here for you for absolutely free. Look into this if you want to make some money online. You can even do this part-time. You can pick up a couple of jobs here and there while you do something else until you develop your skills. So if you actually want to make money online, you have to be skilled at something. This is a good way to do it because it's absolutely free. So this is the website that you're going to go to. This is skillshop.withgoogle.com.
So what do you guys think of this? Is this something that you would be interested in doing, going out there and getting your certification on Google so that you can actually make money with Google certifications? Let me know in the comments below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. I think this looks like a legitimate way of making money online and I'm happy to share this video with you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.